Look, today's message is not an easy message to give. In this message, we're going to talk about you and your responsibilities. We're facing a very difficult economy with talks of recession everywhere. And you are the only one who can take control of your life. You cannot expect your friends, family, co-workers, or children to have the same enthusiasm for your career, business, or professional advancement. That means if you want to move the needle in your life, you have to be the one to take responsibility and control. So what does that mean for you? In this economy where people are losing their jobs, where people are getting furloughed, where people are having their hours reduced or their pay reduced, you have to take control. Hi, I'm Doris DK. I'm coming to you from DK Law Group, and today we're going to discuss physicians leaving money on the table. Now, what does that mean? As a healthcare attorney, I often find a lot of physicians entering into strange contractual relationships that have them at the short end of the stick. Now, that's probably not what you're used to hearing, because we always understand physicians to make a ton of money. But often I find there are physicians who are not well educated on their rights, and they're not well educated on Texas law. For example, there are laws that prevent certain individuals into certain medical contractual arrangements. So when you have non-physicians entering into these contractual arrangements and paying physicians a couple of $100 or a couple of $1,000, that arrangement can be seen as illegal. In fact, Texas is a very restrictive state when it comes to what many consider the corporate practice of medicine, which in theory should prevent a lot of individuals from coming in and starting medical-based businesses in Texas. Now, there are workarounds, but those workarounds are very stringent as to the compensation related to physicians. And a lot of physicians don't know that structure. So they enter into these agreements and they aren't making a lot of money, leaving thousands of dollars on the table and leaving them stressed out with a lot of work. Additionally, many physicians face the reality of being accused of aiding and abetting the practice of medicine, or allowing people to utilize their license without any adequate supervision. Now, what does that mean for you as a physician? Does that mean don't enter into these contractual arrangements? No. It means enter in this contractual arrangement, but knowing your rights, knowing what you should be paid, and making sure you're compensated appropriately. It also means having any arrangement reviewed by a healthcare attorney. Now, I'm sure you're going to get a lot of pushback from the other side, but remember, it's your license on the line. It's your responsibility to make sure, one, that you get compensated appropriately, and two, that you don't get sanctioned by the Texas Medical Board, who often sanctions physicians for not abiding by their laws. You don't believe me? You can look up their sanction list, which clearly defines the rules and physicians who've broken these laws. Now, if you don't want to end up on one of these lists, if you want to make more money and you want to feel at ease about what you're doing, have us here at DK Law Group review one of your agreements. We can offer a perspective to you. We can write a opinion letter that can make you feel at ease and let you know that you're abiding by Texas state law. And we can point out where you might be losing money. Reach out to us at dklawg.com, or if you want to get a meeting, reach out at dorismeet.com. Thanks so much. Bye.